In front of me is Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to access your device's keyboard and click on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, select this gear instead. Now you need to click on voice typing section and click on this gray switcher next to use voice typing in order to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard. Finally, you can click on no visible microphone icon and tap on one of those options while using the app, or only this time if you never used this option before. I recommend while using the app. Now, after Speak Now command, just start typing. When you are finished, hit the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!